Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to track your N-Tailor order. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for best deals online. To start, open the website ntailor.com, then click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Track an Order. Click on Track an Order. Next, enter your email address and the order number on the field provided. Once entered, click on View Order. Now you will see your order status and tracking. That's how you track your N-Tailor order. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.